Welcome to Chanty. Chanty is clean and simple team chat. We bring all your communication in one place without extra complexity and confusing features. The best way to start exploring Chanty is creating conversations for your departments or projects. Conversations make your team organized and always on the same page. Any team member can join and participate in public conversations. Private conversations promote the culture of focused discussions, and only people you invite will be able to join. Finally, one-to-ones are your choice to quickly reach a colleague for help or share updates. Remember to be nice and keep the conversation going. Just like that. Add a collaborative layer to your workflow with tasks. Built-in tasks help your team focus and get more productive during a day. Create new tasks or assign any message as a task to people on your team. On top of that, you can hit Discuss and jump to a task-related thread with only relevant people around. Working from home or on the go and want to reach your colleagues ASAP? Try one-on-one or group audio calls. Want to turn on a video to see your people? One click and Chanty's got you covered. Share voice messages on the go to leave a note to your team. No spell check problems, no formatting issues, just you and your voice speaking to a team. Make your team messaging more personal and targeted with mentions. Ask for help or announce your ideas typing the @ symbol. Tired of sending messages and guessing they got read or simply vanished in the unlimited chat history? Smart teams use reactions for that. Every time you switch the apps or devices, notifications in Chanty take care of your FOMO. You'll have 3 levels of notifications, depending on the activity you're ready to handle. Focus is equally important. That's why we added Do Not Disturb and Silent modes to our team chat. One-click presets will snooze notifications while you are in D&D. There's more to just messaging in Chanty. You can share files, links, or GIFs to bring more context to your discussions. Hit the attachments icon or simply drag and drop a file. It's time to turn your team chat into a command center. Forget about switching between dozens of apps to know the updates. Add the apps you use or find more to cover your needs. No more app switching. Teambook is a single place where all team activity is neatly organized. Tasks, conversations, files, links, and pinned messages. You can search, filter, and browse unlimited chat history. That's how smart teams can get more things done together with Chanty.